I don't know whether the audio quality has improved or not. Back to my YouTube channel. This is Dabashwin here. Now the time is 11 a.m. After 94 days, I'm taking my Achilles out for a short spin. I'm just heading out to meet someone to get something. The balance I will tell you guys on the way. So now let's hit the road. It's so good to feel the cockpit view again and feel the thumb sound. I think this is my first video with the Achilles using the GoPro Hero 5. First one with the Hero 5 of the Himalayan PS6 experience. And now the question, you may ask, where are you out now as Chennai is still in lockdown? I will tell the reason later. Just observe this footage for now. I'm just recording only with the GoPro's inbuilt mic. So I have reached the place and still the roads are much trafficy. I will show you guys on the way back. So this is Vignesh bro. He rides a Dominar 400. Say hi to the camera bro.
Hi.
Okay bro. Okay. Thanks bro. Social distancing. Vanakkam. Bye bro. So this is what I came here to get. The Rode AC3 mic adapter. Now let's just get home. See, this is the traffic I was talking about. Even at this corona time, the Chennai traffic is more. And this is lockdown guys. Okay, we're not it's not lockdown free, it's still lockdown. And see the traffic now. I don't know whether the audio quality has improved or not, but you guys can't feel the difference, right? As I told in my previous noise action cam review video, I ordered the GoPro mic adapter and I got it, but unfortunately the Rode adapter was out of stock, so I had to get it from Vignesh Pro. And you guys can ask, why now mate? I don't know how long it will take for this situation to get normal. So until then I need to make some content on my channel, right? So I have some plans to carry out and some videos to make even at this time. So for that I need the GoPro mic setup. So about the GoPro mic setup, like any other cameras, we can just connect the external mic directly to the action camera. We first need an GoPro mic adapter. I bought it for 3,950 rupees. And the external mic I use as a 3.5mm TRRS audio jack, and the TRRS audio jack is used only for mobiles, computers and laptops. And the action cameras and DSLRs, they need an TRS audio jack to work. So this is where the Rode AC3 mic adapter comes into play. It is 3.5mm TRRS female to 3.5mm TRS audio adapter, which can be connected to the GoPro's mic adapter. I wanted to make a detailed video of my motovlogging setup, but the setup's not yet complete. I'll definitely make a video once the setup's complete. Man, the climate is so hot. It's good that I covered myself completely. And this is my riding gloves, the Rhinox Delta Evo. Need to buy a new pair of gloves as well, as it got torn. I need to buy a new gloves after this lockdown maybe. I hope you guys found something useful in this video, and I have a surprise for you guys. In my next videos I'm gonna try something new in my channel. Actually I was planning to do this in a surprise series. Yes, surprise within a surprise series. But due to this situation we have here, I decided to reveal the surprise in my next video. The surprise series will have to wait. I will reveal it after lockdown, after this issues and all gets over.
So to know what the surprise is, there is only one way for you guys. That is subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned for my next video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.